Alright, well, package from UPS. This is my new Alpha TIG 201DX, I think is the model. It's an AHP welder. I've been waiting on it. It was supposed to take 8 days shipping. I think it took 9. It was supposed to be in here yesterday. UPS had it out for delivery yesterday, and then it showed in transit again last night when they didn't deliver it. So it looks like somebody rolled it out of the back of the truck, kicked the crap out of it, and then it's got stains all over it. I don't know what the hell. It got wet too, I guess. Proudly made in China. So I don't know. I'm not real thrilled with what I'm seeing here. We'll go ahead and get in the garage, and hopefully it's packaged well inside, and we'll see how bad it's beat up. Alright, well, we're in the garage, and I just popped the straps and opened the top of the thing. And great news, they packaged the hell out of it on the inside. This foam is 1 inch thick probably, or 3/4 at least, around the sides. Big thick blocks on top, and same on the bottom. So the welder itself was very well protected. And you can see that there's a space on the side. Well, that's the miscellaneous box that I have not opened yet. That was off to the side, but welder itself is encased in a very heavy-duty foam, so I'm very happy to see that. I haven't taken the plastic off of it yet. It's like tape down here. I'll go ahead and I'll get that opened up. I'll open up that box. We'll take a look at whatever's in it. Now, it does have a pretty good puncture in it, and I can feel stuff in there. Now, looks like maybe some cardboard boxes in there, so hopefully that's packaged up pretty good too. So it might be looking up a little bit here. Alright guys, I should have said it before. I'm going to go ahead and say it right now. This is no kind of instructional video on how to use this welder or how to weld. This is simply what is included in the box, or what's included in the package that I received. Now today is, I think, July 13th of 2019. And they're running a sale on this welder right now. I think it's like $30 or $50 off anyhow. You have to get on AHP website to see that. But anyhow, apparently they had Alpha TIG 200, and this must be the replacement for that, because this is the only welder, the only TIG welder that I see on their website. And I guess just recently they changed the foot pedal that's included with a welder to the kind of a more standard, old school, traditional foot pedal, not the plastic deal that got so much terrible review online. But anyhow, I'm happy to report that when I got the welder out of the box, it doesn't look like it suffered any damage in shipping at all. So I'm very happy with that. The box of miscellaneous parts that was included, the box itself was a little damaged, but it doesn't look like anything inside has been damaged. So what you get inside is the adapter to go from 240 to 120 volt, because the welder itself has the 240 volt plug-in. So that's hardwired in, but if you don't have 240 in your garage or whatever, if you want to, take it somewhere, you've got the ability to run it on 120 volts. So that's pretty nice. You get the regulator or flow meter. You get the gas line to attach, the welder to the regulator, and you get your ground clamp. You get your arc weld stinger. You get now this welder has 2T and 4T functions, so you get the hand switch as well as the foot pedal. So that's a really nice feature. And again, it's the old school traditional foot pedal. The torch that they give you is, this one is a WP17F, is what it says right there if you can't read that, and F stands for flex. So it's a flex head torch, and that's standard with this kit. I was really surprised by that. The consumables that they give you are a 5, 6, and 7 cup. They give you 3 collets. 2 of them are the same size. This one is, 2 of them are 1.6 millimeter, and I think that is 1/16 of an inch. And then they give you 1 of them is a 2.4 millimeter, and I think that's 3/32. They give you the collet body or holder, whichever you want to call that, and you get 2 back caps. You get a short and a long one. So that's what's included in the kit, or that's what's included in my kit. Now, like I said, I guess they recently changed this. They changed it over from Alpha TIG 200 to the Alpha TIG 201 XD. And then they also changed the foot pedal that you get with it. So again, this is mid-July 2019. This was what was included in the kit that I received. This was not any kind of special order or anything. This was just clicking the one on the website. That's all I got on this one, guys. Until the next video, keep on tinkering.